Top 5 fiercest sharks of the deep. First up, the great white shark. Known for its size and power, this apex predator can grow up to 20 feet long. Next, the megalodon. Although extinct, this giant once grew up to 60 feet. Number 2, the orca. These sharks are smart, social, and they hunt in pack. Next, the whale shark. These gentle giants are filter feeders, but their size, absolutely jaw-dropping at 40 feet. Last but not least, the bull shark. They can live in both salt and fresh water. The next time you swim in the deep, watch out for these fierce monsters.